Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive accessories with what I dare say is the best portable car charger air compressor on the market, the YaberAuto Portable Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Now, why do I make such a bold claim? Well, stick around for the next few minutes as we unravel the features and benefits packed into this compact powerhouse. Let's start with the basics. This YaberAuto Jump Starter isn't just your run-of-the-mill device. It's engineered for high performance with a whopping 3,500 A cranking current, capable of jump-starting vehicles up to 9.0 L gas or 8.0 L diesel engines. And here's the kicker. It can do this even in extreme temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. But wait, there's more. Ever been stuck with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere? Fear not, because this jump starter comes with a built-in air compressor that can inflate your tires with ease. With a turbocharged 35 L-min output and a maximum pressure of 150 psi, you'll have your tires back in shape in no time. Now, safety is always a top priority, especially when dealing with car batteries. YaberAuto has thought of everything. With an innovative honeycomb thermal design, this jump starter reduces startup temperatures by 30%, ensuring your safety during use. Plus, it's equipped with 10 intelligent safety protections to prevent any mishaps. But wait, there's even more versatility packed in. Besides jump-starting your car and inflating tires, this all-in-one device serves as a 300-lumen flashlight with an impressive 48-hour battery life. Need to charge your phone? It's got dual USB ports for that. And if you've got 12 volts devices, there's a DC output with a cigarette lighter adapter included. Before we wrap up, let's talk about peace of mind. YaberAuto stands behind their product with a 2-year warranty, lifetime technical support, and stellar customer service. So there you have it, folks. The YaberAuto Portable Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor, your ultimate companion for on-the-go emergencies. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery or a flat tire, this powerhouse has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay safe on the road.